Hi trader, good day to you. I just would like to ask you a question. Would you love to have a chart like this one you can see over here? You prefer many indicators and a lot of stuff. Does it help you with your trading decisions? Or maybe you prefer something like this one. Well, in this video I'd like to show you how to trade Ichimoku clouds together with Heiken Ashi candles. But first, before I show it, please press the subscribe button to not miss any new videos from my channel, the channel which is helping traders to take better trading decisions. Let's start the rock and roll. So, first of all, I want to show you how to grab the Ichimoku cloud onto the chart and how make it tidy. So we do it that way. We go to indicators, we get the Ichimoku cloud, which is here. Where is this Ichimoku? It's here. Here we go. We press OK. We got it. We don't need those funny lines over here. There are too many. It's just messy, I presume. They might help someone, but just let's try to keep it tiny. So we go to properties, we go to colors. The colors we make known: red, blue, and green. We make no color. Okay, here we go. So we got first step done. The second step we need, the same way we have to do with the Heiken Ashi. If you don't know how to do it, I recommend you to see one of my previous videos about how to apply Heiken Ashi candles onto the chart. The link you will find just under this video below. So I'll do it quickly for you, so just let me do it. So first we have to go to properties, and the line graph, which is the line, this one over here, we make known. So when we change to the line, there will be no candles at all over here. You go OK, we pass to the line graph, and we've got only candle. Now we can apply Heiken Ashi, as you probably know from my other video. We just press it, make OK, and here we are. Lovely jubbly. Excellent trading tool. You might try it on your demo. First, I recommend you to use your demo account to check it how it works. But I assure you it does. I'll show you a couple of things. What you have to do simply, when the price gets above the cloud, this is the cloud, this one, this is Heiken Ashi. So when the Heiken Ashi candles get white and get over the cloud, you buy. Obviously, if you got a line a week like this one, it means that probably you might wait a little bit till the price comes back a little bit. I'll show you how to check it. Look, when you put its bar candles here, here the price closed. If you get in here, it might be a trouble, you know. But anyway, you can try it. Anyway, you got a couple of pips to get from this, which is not that much, 30 pips. You are on H4. But if you put the stop loss over here, which is more or less from the opening, is 100 pips. If you keep it rocking, you get your 100 pips over here anyway. So you can sort out. Obviously, you can pass here, put the stop loss when the price rise up. So it's just a simple example, the worst one possible. You might try to find candles which get through the cloud, and they are not so big ones like this one here. Look, it's just went under the cloud over here. If you sold it over here, that's what you should do. You should sell when the candle is red and it gets under the cloud. We sell it here. Look at this candle, it's pretty small. The stop loss, even if you put above this candle, is 30 pips. And up to here you got 40 and something, which is not that bad. Let's get back here. As you see, you can sell here and get some pips. Here probably you wouldn't do money, but if you move your stop loss, you'll be alright. And What about here? The candle went up, is white. You should buy over here, put the stop loss here, which is 100 pips, and take profit. It's 170, which is not that bad. We are selling here, for example, the price went under the cloud. So this is a good signal, yeah? You got stop loss here 60 pips and take profit about 120. Here you got the signal. And this is the losing position. No, it's not. You got 113, 120 pips stop loss. And same story, after the market stays here longer time, you got 100 pips take profit. Same story here. Look at this one. You got 70 or 60, 70 pips stop loss and take profit is 150. So, you know, you have to put another filter on it, but it's just an issue of your mindset, how you trade. It's not the indicators. It's not that mess like this one. I've seen many people on different forums showing the indicators put one over another. They are all the same. Look, RSI, MACD, and SolarWind, they are more or less same indicators. So, well, still you got SAR, you got moving averages, you got Bollinger Bands. And what could you know from such a chart? Look at this one. It's much nicer and neater. Just get rid of those bars here. And you got just two indicators. It's enough to trade. You don't need any more. Your mindset is 80% of your trading results. Look, 5-6 times you lose your trade, but the 7th and the 8th and the 9th you get 1/2 to 1 or 2 to 1 or 3 to 1, whatever. There are some other techniques that some people get into it here, but they stop loss make under the cloud, which is much better. And like here, you got stop loss over the cloud. So, you know, as soon as the price moves, you move your stop loss to break even. And when the price returns like here, you just get break even. So I recommend you once again, try it. Try it at demo account and then try to trend. And remember, trend is your friend. I put you the link down under this video, the link with song of the band of Ed Seikota singing about trend, about this whip and sow, which are getting all the money out of us. And at the end of the day, when we catch the trend, the long trend, all the losses from this area, we just get back and we still put some profit on. So try it and do it. Well, whatever you think about it, I'd like you to write in the comments below. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like it. If you don't like, press unlike. And I'd like to know your opinion about. That's it at the moment. Green pips to you and God bless you. Have a nice one.